Writing Prompts WP. There is a dungeon deemed Coughing Baby Easy, used by everyone to train rookies, test spells, and as a hangout spot for ordinary children. A roaming frenzied super monster from the most dangerous region just took one look at it, froze, became scarily aware of where it was, then fled. After the apocalyptic chaos that followed the return of primordial magic, the earth was thrown into chaos. Realities themselves began to overlap, with structures from the middle of cities being ripped out of their space and appearing in the middle of nowhere, with the area from where they appeared replacing their previous location. Cities were replaced, and the survivors found shelter in whatever structure they found that could support them, and even in tree houses that just got them away from mythical predators. Some people, our ancestors, found a heavily fortified place in the middle of the jungle that was once New York State, and that is how Bastion was founded. Instead of a single small building or a mall, we have an entire wall surrounding us, and it has signs with weird circular symbols with a bit of writing on a monolith. It was mostly scratched out, but whenever a smarter monster like the Wraiths or Spectress, which is what we call those deformed human horrors, see it, they run. The most anyone can read off of it is partway down, where it sums up how we handle monsters and bandits just by saying, and I quote, "This is not a place of honor. No highly esteemed deed is commemorated here. Nothing valued is here.